Hi, I, being a venue owner, want to share the experience of driving an Altroz. Power feels same like Venue, maybe because they are both 1.2 liter NA engines. This D-cut steering has better calibration and is heavier than Venue, giving better feedback and confidence. The engine in Altroz feels noisy. Higher gears are tall in Altroz, taller than in Venue. Could easily touch 100 kmph in fourth gear without much engine grunt. There is less body roll in Altroz, so I like this lower seating position. Engine noise is more in Altroz. More weight, lower seating, lower center of gravity make Altroz feel more confident. Coming to the visibility from the driver's seat, the A-pillar is thick. It has a small glass vent though. Altroz has a 360 camera as an extra feature. Speakers definitely are better at normal volume than Venue, but at higher volumes there is a lot of shrill and vibration. Rear seats are definitely less comfortable as we sit in knees up position.